guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be doing a nail video for you. And I have some very pretty nails. These are long nails, and these are the Kiss Gel Fantasy Collection. They don't have a name on the box, so what I will do is there's a number, so I will look them up and I will definitely link them below. But they're so pretty. They have some sparkles, but what I really like is the design on that nail there. And these are long, and obviously I don't do the long nails. I can't type with the long nails on. I basically can't do much of anything with the long nails. So I do trim them down with this trimmer, and I will link this trimmer below if you're interested. I did get it off of Amazon. And one of my subscribers in one of the couple of nail videos ago saw me clipping the nails, and she told me that I was using it with the blade toward me, and that you're supposed to always have the blade away from you when you use so these. That was T-Took. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but T-Took, thank you for looking out for me and telling me the way to safely use these clippers. So I will do that from now on. Thank you very much. And another subscriber, Rebecca, asked if I could show how I take off my nails. So you can see that I have started to lose a couple. I kept gluing them on, but you get to a point, I've had these on for a little over a week, and you get to a point where no matter how many times you start gluing them back on, they just keep falling off, and that's because it's time. You can't you could keep gluing it, but then it gets to be a pain in the neck. So when you put a new set on, they last good for about a week. So for me anyway. Some people say they last 3 weeks, and I would assume that that's because they keep gluing them back on, but that's just me. If you know a secret to keeping them on for 3 weeks without them ever popping off, then please let me know. But anyway, I am going to show how I remove the nails. So for Rebecca and for anyone else who's curious, I showed Choo Choo at the beginning of this video because of one of my subscribers, Kim. Hi, Kim. She asked to see Choo Choo in one of the videos, so I did show her. I am going to show you in this video 3 sets of Christmas nails that I picked up, just to kind of get you thinking about what you might want for the holiday season. Now, I did pick these up at my local CVS, so they do have them there right now. And these nails are medium length, so they are going to be kind of long for me, but I figure around the holidays it'll be okay. And I don't think I can trim these down because I think it would ruin the design. So here's the first one, and this is so cute. You have the little bit of a French tip, candy cane French tip, then you have like the Santa buckle, and you have the snowflake, and then of course the silver bling. And the next set is also medium length, and there's a nutcracker, pretty packages, and then the gold bling. These are gonna be so cool. And then the last pair that I got is really nice. It's plaid, it's got the plaid, it's got the stag on in there, and then your black nails and your gold. This one might be a good one to have the week after Christmas going into New Year's. So anyway, those are my holiday nails. I will definitely link them below this video. Okay, so we're gonna start, and I'm gonna put these nails on. So I will bring the camera down so you can see me taking off my nails. I will give them a little bit of a file just to get rid of the old glue and make sure that I have a nice smooth place for the glue to stick. And I will be using the original super glue. And I get this from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. Comes in a 2-pack. Now, you can order it from Amazon. I will definitely link it below. Someone had mentioned in one of the comments that this could damage your nails. And I have not had that experience. I have been using this for at least a year now, and or getting pretty close, if not more than a year. I don't remember when I started using this, but it really has been my go-to with these nails, and it really is what keeps these nails on for me. And it's so easy, and it dries so quickly that I get my nails on, and they're staying on at that point once I glue them on with this. So I really swear by this glue. But you should definitely use whatever you are used to, or whatever glue works for you. I mean, they're not, they don't even know me, so. But anyway, so that is what I am going to be doing. Now, I do have to say, and I do have to apologize in advance, because I hope it doesn't gross anyone out, but I do have a cut on my finger, my middle finger here. Sorry. I will try to show you the other hand more when we're done, but you will see it obviously while I'm taking off my nails. But all right, guys, come on down. So these are adorable. They're absolutely gorgeous. I just love, love, love the design. Now, they are a little bit sheer. So if you noticed, you can see a little bit of where it's almost like an air pocket that is down at the bottom of the nail. But that happens with sheer nails sometimes. You can see the glue, but when that totally dries, that's gonna get a lot less. But the rest of them, like these designs are so cool. And a little bit of bling here. And then my pinkies ended up matching my thumbs because they didn't have this design in the pinky, which was fine. I went with the little mauve color and it matches the thumb. So it's kind of like, you know, uniform there. So yeah, these nails, and again, they clip very easily, obviously, but the big thing is they file very easily. I cannot file nails. I've said that before in other videos. My own nails, they just don't come out the way that I like them when I file them myself. So when I'm not using these nails, I would probably just have them cut down really, really short. So these are the perfect length for me now. I really love that I'm able to get these longer nails because they do have prettier, not prettier, but different designs on the longer nails. And I would never be able to use these at the length that they come in. So yeah, extremely happy with them. I really love how they came out. I think they're really, really pretty. And you know, it's starting to take me into the holiday season. So why not get a little bit more, you know, fancy? I love fancy. I will definitely link them in the description section. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I hope that you have gotten some inspiration to try this clipping, filing process of the longer nails. And I hope that you have gotten some tips on how to take these nails off. They work so well for me, and I hope that they work for you. I know some people have some issues with sizing and you know, different things like that. Some people have larger nail beds. I think what you could do is just buy 2 of the same kind, and that way the larger nails, you would be able to use all the larger sizes, because they don't give you like a ton, because mostly the larger sizes are for your thumb. But they do give you some pretty good size ones. So you could, you know, with 2 packages, you might be able to mix and match, you know, that way, and the same with smaller nails. So that's just an idea that I thought of that might help some people. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.